Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your currency in the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app. Here it opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go into the Me menu. Here in the top right corner, there's a little gear. Tap on that. We access the settings. And here in the middle, it says currency. We can tap on that. And from here, from this list, we can select whichever currency fits us the best. We can select euros, dollars, anything. Almost anything, actually. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. And see you in the next one. Bye.